Okay, so we're going to be changing our thermostat in this Class C 2004 E Ford 450. This is the brand here. We managed to pick one up on, I believe it was eBay, for pretty cheap. And I think it was like around $20. So we're going to remove the cover. And we're probably going to have to basically just replicate everything here. We can see the wire going in at the top here, the red one. We've got another white one down here. We're going to unscrew this and we're going to screw in the new one. Okay, here's our part here that we got, part number. And got some instructions here, and that's the new one. Okay, so just taking out the two screws, and you can see the wire coming in through the back here, and it's split into two, the red and the white. So we're going to unscrew this little one right here and that one, and we're going to feed the wire into the new thermostat. Okay, so when you unscrew the screw, the wire is just tucked around the back of it, so you just want to unhook that wire so that you can see that one's about to come off. Sorry, get back a little bit there. So that one's about to release. Okay, it's taken off now, and time to put on the new part. Here's our new one. We're going to feed the wires in through the small hole there, and we're also going to screw it into the wall to hold it in place. Just screw these in by hand first, get it started. Okay, now we can use the screwdriver to finish it off. Make sure this is straight. That's pretty good. Okay, now we're going to loosen up both these screws. And we're going to wrap those wires around it. Okay, so now the wire is wrapped around that, we can tighten this up on top of that wire. Okay, that should be good to go. Alright, put the cap back on. Alright. Now we're going to test it out and make sure it works. Okay, we just turned the power on at the RV, which is this little button right here. We just turn that into that position. That's the on position. Okay, I'm thinking the gas is turned on. Let's just try this and we'll see. Okay, I think our gas probably needs to be turned on. Let me go do that now. Okay, so gas is on. We'll turn this on now. Well, hard to tell that it's actually heating, but I, believe it or not, did hear the heat come on. Let's come over here to one of the heating things. And we have heat. We also have lots of traffic noise. Sorry about that, guys.